High-rise living? Yes. Premium lifestyle? Absolutely. Peace and quiet environment? Surprisingly, yes. And this is all about Purva Northern Lights. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I'm your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Puravankara Group launching its 1 BHK now at Purva Northern Lights located in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore. So we are here on the actual site of the project and let me show you the surrounding of our site. So I'm standing on the entrance of the marketing office. So here's the marketing office of our project where you can check out the miniature. Now the main entrance will be coming up on the opposite side over here, from where the land parcel starts from and goes up to 24 plus acres. Well, now in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So stay tuned until the end. Now before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. What exactly Housey is? So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with project overview with the detailing of miniature. Purva Northern Lights will be constructed on total 24.5 acres of land parcel, consisting of 8 iconic towers with 2 basement ground plus 30 and 31 floors, where you'll be having 3 BHK plus maids room, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK duplex premium residencies. Along with it, we'll be having 1 BHK premium residencies now as well, with 80% of open space for greenery and serene lifestyle. If I talk about location, then our project is located right off to New Airport Road in Aerospace Park, Bagalore, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project where I'm standing on the main entrance. So this will be the main entrance of Purva Northern Lights, and this road in just 300 meters will connect you towards New Airport Road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity part. So you can connect to Aerospace Hardware Park in just 5 minutes. Reva University is 10 minutes away, airport 15 minutes, Manyata Tech Park in next 25 minutes from our project. If I talk about amenities, then Puravankara Group offers you curated lifestyle amenities. Now let's check out through our miniature. Northern Lights offer you a grand clubhouse of 1 lakh plus square feet, football ground, half basketball court, landscape garden, huge swimming pool with deck, plus many more luxurious amenities. Now I have a question for you. Are you looking to buy a home in Bangalore? So are you aware of your all the basic rights? If doubtful, then Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers, as many home buyers are not aware of their basic rights. For example, if you book a home by paying a token amount and later on cancel your booking, in this situation, how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or else even after possession, there is any construction related issue in your project. Is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch our series once. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. Now about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, our project offers you 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus maids room, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK duplex premium residencies. Along with it, we are open with 1 BHK as well, where the 1 BHK is starting from 622 square feet super built-up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process. So our project is in EOI phase, that is in pre-launch phase for 1 BHK. So all our interested clients are invited to our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail via project 3D model, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So book your slot fast before the price move high. So everyone, this was a teaser of Puravankara Group launching its 1 BHK at Purva Northern Lights, located in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK, and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.